Want to add your business location on Snapchat? Here's how to do it step by step. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon at the top left corner. This will open your profile page. Now tap on the settings icon at the top right. Scroll down and find the privacy controls section. Then tap on See My Location. This will open Snapchat's location settings. Now, scroll down and tap on Suggest a Place. Snapchat doesn't offer a direct option to add a business, but you can suggest your location here. Start by entering your business name carefully. Then use the map to pin your exact business location. Next, choose the appropriate business category. You can also add extra details like business hours, website, phone number, and photos. Once everything is filled in, tap on Submit. Snapchat will review your submission and update the location if approved. And that's it. That's how you can add your business location on Snapchat. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tutorials.